Hi guys, 𝗕𝗲𝗿𝗁 here. Super excited to have you here. Thank you all for coming. Welcome to the online marketing business blueprint, free training, absolutely for you to start your online journey. And this, I'm going to show you the 3 steps that I took to enable me to go from $0 to $5,000 as a complete beginner in a matter of 30. So essentially, my goal here for you is to introduce you to the affiliate marketing business model or the online marketing business model. It's pretty much the same. And explain to you how it works and how you can get started while working in your full-time 9-to-5 job, because that's where I started my business journey while in a full-time job. And I will also share with you the 6 secrets that prevented me from succeeding even earlier, because I've been through this journey for about 3 years and I've struggled heaps. I've learned a lot. I've failed and I learned again. So with this, I'm just going to cut through everything so that you won't make the same mistake as I did. I'm going to teach you a strategy that will help you to get started even without making a landing page, a website, or even have an email responder. And I will show you the 3-step blueprint that I've personally used to make over $5,000 as a complete beginner in 30 days. Just a quick introduction about myself, who am I, and why you should listen to me. So here you can see I am an ex-retail executive. So I've been in the retail world for nearly about 10 years now, selling luxury items from cars, Bentley, Ferraris, Lamborghini, to luxury kitchen appliances, dealing with brands like Miele, Gaggenau. So here you can see I was accepting a award for the best online retailer in 2022. And also you can see in the next picture, this is the guys I work with that I have to go for 5 days a week and see them spending time more than I spend time with my family and friends, right? And I hated that. I started my online journey 4 months in. I think it was 4 months in, I started to see money coming in. And with that, it enables me to able to quit my job and started traveling the world. So I've been on the road for the past 6 months, traveling around Asia right at the moment. And here you can see me, I'm in Indonesia, Mount Bromo, right at the edge of the active volcano. First time ever in my life, best experience ever to smell the volcano, even to hear the bubbling of the lava from the volcano. It was amazing. And because I went to Thailand and checked myself in for a Muay Thai camp, and I decided I want to be a boxer. So I'm a boxer wannabe. I've been training boxing for the past few months, 3 months, right? Still learning. A little bit about me. Now I'm going to tell you my online journey. So my online journey actually started about 6 years ago. Here you can see right here. This is my Shopify store. That was my first time doing anything online. And with that, I've learned a lot. There was a lot of failures. I made about 10 stores and 8 of them failed. Sold one store for about $500 US dollars. And my last store worked really well. I was dealing with streetwear. With that comes a lot of cons where you got charged back, you've got to answer customer service, you got to do returns. So it wasn't really something that I was looking for, because I was spending a lot of time and I was spending a lot of money on ads because I didn't know the key to marketing. So from that, I decided it was not for me, and I thought I could run a digital agency. So a digital agency means I'm doing drop services, which means I am just a contractor. Say if you want a website, I will discuss with you what's the criteria you need. I charge you, and then I go to another person, and I get a price off them. I do a bit of markup. So I was doing that for a while, made about quite a bit of money, but end of the day, I didn't like it because I was spending a lot of time, early hours in the night, talking to clients in the US and all that, and I was handling projects. I wasn't making much sales at the end. I was just managing all the projects that I was I was doing. So it took up a lot of my time. Money was good, but it wasn't something I liked to be doing. And so after that, I looked at affiliate marketing. Started off with the low ticket affiliate marketing, because as you can see here, right here, over here, so you can see this all from DashClick. So DashClick is a service agency where they make website, do Google ads and all that for people. So what I did was just recommended them to a Facebook group. And when somebody clicked my link and started to buy off my link, and I didn't realize it until a couple months later, because all I saw was $1 here, $1 there. That didn't really interest me. But once I compiled everything, that all the email that was sent out to me, it adds up. It added up about $80. I was like, oh, that was something that I didn't even do. I just put a link somewhere on a Facebook group. So that got me curious, because it was working as very low ticket. These are my low ticket win. I started to do reviews on software, so I'm putting them on YouTube. You can see I've made a bit of money here and there, like $18, $20, $24. And with that, I was so happy that like, man, I found something. I found something that works, right? There's a proof of concept. It works. So somebody was clicking my link after they watched the video on YouTube. This here was a video reviewing a NFT software to make NFT. NFT then was pretty big, right? And it had 6,000 views, and I started making money out of that. I was watching one of my friends, and he was making $1,000. So I decided to talk to him, right? That's what when I found out about high ticket affiliate marketing. So I explained to you the difference between the both in the later video. 2023 is when I looked into high ticket affiliate marketing and started my journey there, because my friend was making money. So I decided to hop on board. And that's when I started with zero experience, like don't know what I was doing with high ticket. And I started to learn the strategies that was taught to me. And here you can see all my different, all the emails that came through, like 1,300 here, 1,000 here, 1,000 there, $900 here, 1,000 here, all this proof of concept for me. And with that, I want to tell you that it was after 21 days of implementing strategies that was taught to me that I got my first high ticket commission, which is right there, 1,300. I was absolutely over the moon, because think of it this way, I didn't have to sell so many low ticket to get $1,000. I need to sell just one item and get $1,000. So that is the high ticket. Anyway, so this is my quick introduction to you. Essentially, what I want to do here is to able to teach you everything that I've learned, tell you my mistake so that you don't have to go through it, and teach you the shortest way of getting yourself onto this online journey. See you in the next video. Secret number 1. Let's go.